Zone's insulated crimp terminals are designed for strong and dependable wire connections. They are UL certified and rated for high voltage and high temperature, up to 600 V and 221 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed for everyday installation and long-term use, key features include tinned copper core, high conductivity for secure, long-lasting connections. Let's take a look at how to crimp them properly. Measure the required length first, then strip off the insulation accordingly. Insert one wire fully into one side of the connector. Insert the second wire into the opposite end. Make sure the conductors reach the center stop. Use a crimping tool to secure each side of the connector firmly. Crimping is complete. The connection is secure and will not loosen. Suitable for a wide range of applications, including home electrical repairs, heavy-duty wiring, and equipment installations. By Zone Industry Corp.